Ethereum and Bitcoin. Record surges in institutional momentum. Greet your audience with excitement about the massive surges in Ethereum and Bitcoin. Highlight the current prices. Ethereum $4,300, Bitcoin $124,000 plus. Mention projections. Ethereum aiming for $7,500 to $10,000 by year-end. Pose a powerful question. Are we entering the strongest crypto bull wave of the decade, or is this the beginning of a bubble? Like, subscribe, and comment. What's your Ethereum and Bitcoin price prediction for 2025? 2. Background and recent surge. Explain brief history of Bitcoin and Ethereum price movements, 2022 to 2025. Recent 25% surge in ETH and Bitcoin's climb above $124,000. Key triggers: ETF approvals and institutional adoption. U.S. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve Ethereum upgrades improving scalability, increasing utility in DeFi, and RWA's visuals. Price charts. Timeline of major events. 3. Institutional momentum. Explain how Wall Street and global financial giants are moving in. BlackRock, Fidelity, and Goldman Sachs Bitcoin ETFs, Ethereum staking by major banks. Corporate Bitcoin treasuries, Tesla, MicroStrategy, now U.S. Government Reserve. Impact on market sentiment and liquidity. 4. ETHEREUM's road to $10,000. Breakdown predictions. $7,500 to $10,000 targets by end of 2025. Key factors: ETH 2.0 full implementation, sharding and scalability. Layer 2 adoption, Arbitrum, Optimism, Base. Rise of DeFi, NFTs 2.0, and tokenized assets include analyst predictions and on-chain metrics. 5. Bitcoin at 124,000 plus? Is 150,000 next? Analyze Bitcoin's price journey and halving cycle effect. Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, U.S. government holdings approximately 198,000 BTC. Institutional buying pressure versus retail FOMO. Short-term corrections, healthy pullback, or sign of peak. 6. Real-world spending and luxury crypto adoption. How crypto millionaires are spending. Real estate purchases in Dubai and Miami. Luxury cars, watches, and digital collectibles. Merchants accepting BTC and ETH in 2025. Does this spending strengthen or weaken long-term adoption? 7. Risk factors and regulatory impact. Discuss potential risks. Regulatory crackdowns, Project Crypto Genius Act. Market manipulation concerns geopolitical tensions, impacting BTC/ETH advice. Always DYOR. This is not financial advice. 8. Future outlook in your strategy. Ethereum likely to outperform Bitcoin in percentage gains. Bitcoin remains digital golden store value. Institutions are here to stay. Would you hold ETH, BTC, or both? Subscribe for daily crypto alerts. Join Telegram for news and updates. Comment your prediction for December 2025. Thank viewers for watching this long-form analysis. Top 5 altcoins riding this Bitcoin and Ethereum wave.